Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to use plot of mean tools in Alteryx. So about the plot of mean tools, so you need to go on data investigation. There you can find the plot of means. So if you click on this, so you get the definition. So at here about the plot of means, so it take a numeric or binary category converted into a set of 0 and 1 values field as a response field along with a category field and plot the means of response field each of the category levels. So let's understand by example. So here let's go to in and out tab. Here drag this input data inside the workflow. Now you can connect with file or database. So click on drop down. Now here you can, if you want to connect with the database, so here click on data source. Now you can connect with Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle and many more. So if you want to connect with files, go to file, select the files. So I already have the files called city population, so let's click there. Now here you can see this is the record. So when you use here plot of means tools, so you must have at least one column numerical and one column string. So here let's drag this inside the workflow plot of means. Now you can see this is the response field, and here the response field should be continuous or a binary category. So it should be a continuous and a binary category, and you can select a category field to group. Now let's drag this link, and hereafter automatically it's taken. So it should be here it should be numeric. So if I go on this, so population is the numeric, city and state or a string. So here it's selected. Now here after the next is I want to display whatever the data comes to there inside on browse. So let's drag the browse, and here with the browse we can see this data that come and in graphical format. So let's run this workflow, and since it has so many records 29514 and the size 1.2 MB, so it will take a few second times to complete the process. So it completed on the 14 second. Click on OK. Now here you can see this is the incoming, and here you can see this is the data input and data output. So metadata, here you can see graph, VW, size, and if I click there, here you can see plot of means graph. So here plot of means for population by state level. So here this is the population, and here this is the state. So Alabama, Florida. So Florida has the highest population, and hereafter this is the density of the population on the state. Now if I click on this, so I can change this by state to city. Now let's run this and check the output. So here this is the incoming input data from this source, and there is no any error, and 44% it's completed. Now I think it's almost done. So here this is 291514 rows are there, and the size 1.2 MB. Now here it's a plot of means error bar were removed due to categorical field. Now it's done. So this time it has taken 36 second times with the warning. So let's ignore the warning. Now hereafter you can see this is the input data, this all. Now hereafter when you click, and this is the size. Now hereafter Plot of means population by city levels. So here this is the population and here this is the city. So Novi city has the highest population graph on the up, and city less than Novi. So this is the diagram to display the population between city here. Now here after the next is when I click this is the numeric. If I give here or like a string, so these twos are a string, you can see on the incoming. So this is the state and city, so string and population is the double. So let's see what happened. Now I just run the workflow. Now here this is the incoming and this records now going to here plot of means 44%, it's done. And here it's processing and doing the operation. Now I'm getting the error message finished up, error, one warning. So plot of means argument response must be numeric. So here argument response must be numeric. So if I click on, so here response field must be numeric. So if I give here numeric, then there is no any problems. And you can it has only two options, set a category, filter group, and next is graphical option. We can increase the width and height, and we can double the size of the graph resolution, and base font size we can increase, and this all graphic information. So I just increase by 2. Now hereafter let's run and see the differences or any changes on the graph. So since it has 29,514 rows and the size is 1.2 MB, so it's taken some time to complete this all the process. And here workflow message, plot of means. So I already discussed about this all here. You should check the previous videos. There I discuss about associated basic contingents. Now you can see it's taken 38 second times to complete, and here now see the changes. So here see this is the looking smaller, and here, so this is the changes it's come by doing something on the inches and graph resolution. Now hereafter the next is error bars, so standard error, standard deviation, this all error we have inside the plot of means. So this is the simplest way we can use plot of means inside Alteryx. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.